Stop scrolling if you're curious about what it may cost to implement text marketing into your business communication strategy, because you've come to the right place. Hi Texters, Marco here, on the marketing team at Easy Texting. With an impressive 98% open rate, SMS text is the apex communication channel for reaching your audience and keeping them engaged year-round. It's no wonder more small businesses are adopting text marketing as a cost-effective way to nurture relationships at scale. But the cost to your business can range depending on several factors, like contact list size, texting frequency, and whether you're sending an SMS or MMS message. Regarding the fixed costs of SMS texting, a single text costs between 1 and 5 cents per message. If you have an international audience, charges per text can range between 25 and 50 cents per message. Instead of charging your business per text, Easy Texting operates a little differently. One SMS text costs 1 credit, while one MMS message costs 3 credits. Credits are our form of currency, used to measure each message you send to each contact. Each Easy Texting plan comes with 500 credits, plus the option to purchase additional based on your needs. To make it easier for your business to scale our product to your unique needs, you can select from 4 texting plans. Launch, recommended for up to 500 contacts, starting at $25 a month. Boost, for 500 to 2,000 contacts, starting at $75 a month. Scale, for 2,000 to 50,000 contacts, starting at $125 a month. And Enterprise, for 50,000 plus contacts, starting at $3,000 a month. Also, pro tip, you can save 20% when selecting a prepaid annual plan. Now, let's not forget about the guest of honor, your SMS marketing ROI. Your ROI is calculated by dividing your net profit by the investment cost and multiplying that by 100 to get a percentage. What's a good ROI for your SMS marketing efforts? Good question. While there are industry standards, the more you use Easy Texting to track your ROI, the easier it is to understand what performs the best and gets you closest to your specific goals. We hope this rundown on the cost of text marketing is helpful as you decide the next best steps on your text marketing journey with Easy Texting. Happy texting!
Text TRY to 858585 to begin your free trial.